Well guys, it's been a while since I've done a prelude, but I figured, you know what, I'm here at Barrie, I should do a prelude. Everything's been going good today, my hair is a little crazy, so don't be worried about that. So we have two vehicles today here. We have the Nissan Quest minivan and we have a Subaru. So the Subaru's giving me a little bit of troubles right now because I have dirt bike tires on the front of it, and the rules state the tires must be DOT, but they can be doubled. So we're gonna figure out if I can run or not the Subaru. The van has got dirt bike tires too, but it's allowed. It's 100% allowed. So we're just gonna be looking at some of the cars here today. Got some demo cross cars over here and a Saturn Ion. Have to see how this thing does. Tech is still teching some of these cars over here. That's a Buick Century, I think, has a flat top 3.1 in it. The Barrie Esoplex raffle car. Starting to see some Cavaliers come out of the woodwork. We haven't seen Cavaliers in quite some time. A Nissan over here. Super Duty. So classes they're running is Demo X, Stock Mini, Windshield Mini, Junk Run, and Demo X, Mini Smash, Junk Run, and Pro Stock Trucks. That's the classes they're running. So got another 2500 Chevy here. Buick. Oh my God! Look at the what's this called? A Riviera? No, I forget the names of these things. You guys got a name drop down in the comments? It's a Buick. I know that one. It runs the same body style as the GM newer W bodies in it. Montana vans and all that. Honda Civic. It's actually an Acura if you guys want to be specific. This one over here. Newer Toyota Corolla. And 2000s Nissan Sentra. Hyundai Sonata. This is a new big car, guys. So you guys might remember this car. This one here is actually my Buick LeSabre. Eddie rented it from me and he's running it here. He's got the hood off, new coil packs and wires put on. He's got a fire extinguisher this time, no bear mace. And he just got the loader to tuck down his trunk really nice. So this thing actually looks like it's got quite a bit of life left in it. Guys, these Jeep Liberties are doing pretty good here in the junk runs. The rear end's holding them really well, and they just get super, super tall, and they just keep getting better and better as they go though. Like look at this thing here. They're getting taller and taller, so if I mess with this with my minivan, that's gonna clear everything and hit motor. Got a 2008 Honda Civic. We got Jesse's Colorado here. This thing here's been ran probably 9-10 times now. It's getting more and more beat up every time. Tech helping him paint his numbers because Jesse doesn't know how to do a 5 and a 9. Ghostbusters Nissan. Honda hatchback. Look at that. When's the last time you guys seen a 98 Honda hatchback?
Oh, this is 7
manual. Sorry, Magnum. Snow tires on a Magnum. Dodge Neon. Don't see many of those. That one doesn't even look that bad. Chrysler Sebring. PT Cruiser, guys. You know, these things in the back are quite big weapons. You know, they come at you and it's got to basically hold out and make sure they don't get anything vital. And the floor looks to be in really good shape in this thing. So the back of this thing is going to be a weapon if they can stay driving backwards. And I believe the calipers with them too, which is like a newer PT Cruiser. So the back of this thing is going to be intense. So have to watch out for these ones in the ring because this is my Subaru. So we'll have to make sure that I try not to mess with the backs of those. We got my Nissan Quest right over here. Got my door wraps on it. Toyota Sienna minivan. That's got a lot of runs on it. I believe that thing went down to Bash for cash. So he's just trying to use it up. He says he needs the motor out of it. Toyota Corolla. Newer Toyota Corolla. Looking tall and pretty here. Standing up nice and tall. It's not lowered or anything. Usually the springs sag out on these. Another pink Dodge caliper. Got a whole bunch of trucks over here. Got a Chevy up there, that's like a 2010. Got a 98 Suburban down here. Already looks like it's been ran hard in the front. A Dodge full-size truck with a 5.7 Hemi in it. I don't know if it's still got the Hemi, but that was a Hemi truck. Just a half-ton Chevy. Looks like it's holding together pretty good. This guy was over there at Tech, and you guys can see him back out here now getting his car ready. Nissan Sentra, Honda Civic and Cavalier back here. We got a fake taxi G6 over there, but it's actually got the V6 in it. Ford Escape with a pretty cool paint job on it. Guys, these guys are trying to get these things ready as fast as they can here because they just called drivers meeting very shortly. Is that a North Star V8 in that 101 Dalmatians car? I think it is. And a Ghostbusters car. There's lots of cars here today, guys. I think it's going to be a pretty good show. And everybody's trying to get their stuff ready for the final call for drivers meeting. So it's going to be pretty nice up here. A pretty nice derby, I think, today too, as well. They look like they're going to get all their classes filled, and it's going to be a good day, I think. I don't know what it is, but I like that car. Don't know why, but I just do. There's the Subaru. Have yourselves a great day, guys, and let's go enjoy some derbies.